guys, we're here at Fat Daddy's. I got my new uninsulated GATOR waders finally. Gonna do an unboxing of these and get these things put on. I got the new lime color. They redesigned the boots and the connection there. Let me show you guys. New logo. There's the back, GATOR waders. There's the fronts. We're gonna put these things to use today. Let's get these things on. I want to give a big shout out to GATOR waders for these waders today. We're gonna definitely test them out and make sure you remove the bubbles from your boots before you put them on, or you'll have some trouble. Yes, keep us protected, keep us dry. Oh, they fit good. And let me guess, this one's got some more bubbles.
Yep. Let me pop it.
You can pop it. How about you wait a minute to pop it, son? All right. Ooh, yes, fit good. The band is also really different. Feel that?
Oh wow. What kind of fabric is that?
I don't know. It's very different. Need some help, Mama.
Mama's over here with the Swamp series.
They're both Swamp series. Okay.
Whoopsies.
It won't get any hotter.
Okay.
Looks nice.
All right, let's go test them out.
All right, for the content.